Hi girly, how you doing today? Today I thought it'd be really fun to film a what's in my bag video. I really love watching what's in my bag videos, especially Trisha Paytas's. Like, oh my god, those were so iconic. And yeah, I was thinking why not do one of my own, so we're gonna do that today. This right here is my lovely bag. This bag is from Betsy Johnson and it's literally the girliest thing ever. Like, the front of the bag just has this pink and white bow and a little heart in the middle of it. I bought this bag secondhand and it's actually in really good condition. Also on the front of the bag you can see I just attached some keychains. I have this plushie head, my Melody one. I have this like little furry pom-pom, and then I have this little mini My Melody, which is so cute. And now it's time to open the bag. To be honest, I don't really know where to start with. Like, I keep a lot of things in my bag. Oh, and the inside of the bag also has this like floral pattern, which I think is super pretty. All right, I think I'll start with the pockets. All right, so in the pockets, I just have some tissues. This is one of the tissues that I have in my bag, and it's this My Melody and My Sweet Piano one. Guys, when I tell you the packaging on this thing is so old, because I actually thrifted these tissues from like Goodwill back in 2012, 2013. I mean, they're super old. Like, obviously since I've had it so long, I've just replaced all the tissues with like some pink toilet paper that I have. And this right here is the second pack of tissues that I have. This one is absolutely adorable. Like, it just has all of the Jewel Pets characters on it. These tissues were a freebie with the Sanrio plushie that I got. Okay, the next thing I keep in my bag is this little tape measure. I like to always keep a tape measure in my bag in case I'm going to like a store or a thrift store and I just want to measure the clothes to see if it will like fit my bust and my hips. So yeah, I just always keep a tape measure in there for that. Okay, this is funny. Apparently I have like a little message from a fortune cookie in this bag. I had no idea I had this in here, but I guess I do have this, okay? This is kind of funny to me, but on it reads, "People find it difficult to resist your persuasive manner." Guys, do I give off like a persuasive manner? Like... And some other things I keep in my bag are some pens. Here's the first pen. It's this lilac one with a little red heart on it. And the second pen that I have is just this My Melody one, and it's so pink, so pretty, so me. The next thing I have in here is something very useful as I do social media and YouTube and all that jazz. And I just have some business cards, so let me show you what those look like. Ta-da! So this is what the front of the card looks like, and honestly, it is so my vibe. And this is what the back of the card looks like. It just has my cute little bunny guys on it, and then this pink glittery background. My mom helped me a lot when it came to making these business cards, so thank you, mommy. Mwah! But yeah, if you guys ever meet me in person, let me know if you'd want one of these cards, because honestly, like, it would be so cute in like a clear phone case to have little bunny guys. Like, they're so adorable. Okay, so the next thing I have in here are my keys. I just have some cute keychains on it because I mean, I love being a maximalist. One of the keychains that I have is this little alien guy right here, and you can just move his head around and there's like little glitter and balls and little cute things in him. I also have a butterfly and a flower keychain. And lastly, I have this pink clear My Melody keychain, and it just has like a little bell on it. All right, the next thing I have in my bag is My Melody wallet. This wallet is so cute. This is what the front looks like. And this right here is the back. This right here is my identity card, and this is what it looks like up close. Literally one of the rare times I actually look good in like a government photo. Like, actually, I look so cute in this. I also keep this $2 bill in my wallet that my sister gave me. Like, I don't know, I just feel like a $2 bill is something you don't find often, and you know, I just feel like it has luck because it's rare, and also my sister gave it to me. So yeah. I also keep these American coins in my wallet because I don't know, I also feel like they bring good luck. I have this like JFK coin too, which I think is really cool. Like, you just don't really see this coin very often. I also have some Euro cents because obviously I live in Italy, so these are the ones I actually use. Okay, and the last thing I can show you from my wallet is this cute little note that my friend Ophelia wrote to me. She wrote me this quote from Nana, and the girlies who know.
Hey Nana, remember the first time we met?
Okay, and the next thingy that I keep in my purse is my AirPods. I just keep my AirPods in this glittery fawn case that I bought from Claire's, and it's absolutely adorable. Like, okay, another electronic thingy that I have is also a portable charger. And of course, you know, I have to have a portable charger that's pink. Like, it's me we're talking about, hello. Okay, and the next thing I have in here is this My Melody fan. Girls, when I tell you this is crucial for surviving the European summers, like, I'm so glad I got this because not only is it cute, but it's also great for the summer. But yeah, it's also good if maybe I want to have like a wind-blowing, divalicious moment. Okay, and the next thing I pulled out of my bag is this pack of mints right here. These mints are grape flavored, and let me tell you, they are so yummy. And fun fact, I actually got these mints for free because I went shopping at this Asian supermarket, and the lady was like, "Oh, would you like these for free as a little gift?" And I was like, hell yes, thank you so much. Like, hey, apparently I have like a supermarket receipt in here, so That's interesting. Okay, and the next thing I keep in my purse is this My Melody hand cream. The packaging is adorable because it's Sanrio, of course, and it also has this really yummy peach smell that I love. And I'm pretty sure I got this at like an Asian snack store, so yeah. Oh, and another hair-related thing that I keep in my purse is this Essence Nail Repair Oil. I really like this stuff, and I've been using it on my fingers to try to get rid of this disgusting, crusty ass dry skin that I get. Like, it's so ugly. But girls, this stuff really works well. Like, I highly recommend it. Okay, so another beauty-related thing that I have in my bag is this comb and mirror My Melody set. Let me take it out of the packaging so you guys can see what it looks like. Here's what the comb looks like, and it's so cute with my girl My Melody on it. And this is what the mirror looks like. And the back of the mirror is so freaking cute. Like, it has My Melody and My Sweet Piano on it. Okay, this next thing I'm pulling out is more like for safety. I just have this pepper spray right here, which thank God I've never used before, and let's hope I never have to, but I just have this pink pepper spray that my mom bought for me. And yeah, I just attached this little heart keychain to it because obviously I feel like it makes it cuter. Oh my god, these bitch ass clouds keep changing my lighting. Like, stop girly, I'm trying to film. Okie doke. The next thing I have in my bag is a reusable bag. It's like bagception. Ooh. But yeah, I just keep this cute My Melody bag in my purse because, I mean, anytime I'm shopping, this is super useful to have. So then, like, they don't charge me extra for a bag I don't even want. Like, girl, I ain't paying all that. Okay, so now we're down to the final things that are in my bag, and I just have these pouches right here that have like beauty items in them. So yeah, let me show you what's inside of them. Okay, so this right here is the first pouch, and it's this really cute Victoria's Secret one. And inside this pouch, I kind of have random beauty stuff in it. First thing we have in here is this mascara. This right here is the Jeffree Star approved mascara, and basically I got this from a makeup trade I did. It's a pretty basic mascara, but I have to say it does work well and it's not clumpy at all. But the thing I love about this mascara is the fact that you can just whip people. This mascara is honestly perfect if you want to whip like racist and homophobic people. Like, I'll just be like... Okay, next thing I have in this pouch is an eyeliner. This is the Heroine Make eyeliner, and I love this eyeliner. Like, I use it all the time. So I just keep this eyeliner in the pouch in case I need to do like some touch-ups. And lastly, for this pouch, I also have two scrunchies. I've just got a black one and a Hello Kitty one. Okay, now for the second pouch, and this one's a really cute beaded pouch that I got from my friend Izzy. This is like my emergency situation pouch, and I have a little bit of everything in here. Okay, so the first thing I have in here is this little bottle, and I keep this on me whenever I'm wearing contact lenses, and I just put some like eye contact solution here. Okay, next thing I have in here is some Kiss brush on nail glue. Honestly, I don't have much to say about it except for that it works well, so yeah. Okay, and the next thing I have is some earplugs, and these are really good if you're going to like a local show or a concert. I also have these like oil absorbing sheets, which are super old. Like, I got this probably like 10 years ago. So let's not talk about it. I also keep some tampons in here because obviously you never know when your period could come. So I just have these in case I need it or maybe somebody else needs it. And I've also got some Q-tips, you know, in case my makeup smudges. And the last thing I have in here is a heart nail file. All right, and this right here is the last pouch that I have. And I actually got this pouch from Dollar Tree. It's super cute though. It just has like some unicorns and butterflies on it. And in here I keep all of my lippies and my perfume. So let's open her up. All right, so the first thing that I pulled out is this really pretty Charmy Kitty perfume. The bottle itself is super cute and the perfume actually smells really nice. I'm gonna try to describe how it smells, and it's very sweet and refreshing and also has kind of like a floral scent to it. I also keep this tiny perfume in the pouch, and this one kind of smells like pink sugar. So this one is definitely very sweet and sugary smelling. Okay, and everything else is literally just lip products because I have an obsession. One of the lippies that I carry with me is this lip oil that I got from AliExpress. This lip oil was super cheap, but I use it all the time and I honestly really like it a lot. And here's what it looks like swatched on my hand. It's like a really pretty apple red color. Okay, next up I have this Neutrogena lip soother, and this one kind of just goes on clear. Like, let me show you. Like, you can see there's a little bit of color to it, but I mean, it's pretty sheer. This right here is the next lippy that I have, and it's the Plump Potion lip gloss. Freaking love the formula on this one. Like, it's just so nice, and it has this gorgeous pearl finish to it. Okay, and here's the next gloss, and this one I got from like a beauty supply store in Harlem. This one is just like a clear gloss with some gold flecks in it, and the rest of the lip glosses that I have are all from Victoria's Secret. The glosses themselves are gorgeous, but also they taste good. Like, they're flavored glosses. Okay, so here's the first gloss, and this one is called Strawberry Fizz, and here's what it looks like swatched. And next I have Kiwi Blush. This one is more of like a pink jelly type of gloss, and I've got the Honey Shine gloss. This one is also like a jelly gloss. And next up I have Candy Baby. This one is like the cutest bubblegum pink color. And the last gloss I have is Juicy Melon. As you can see, Juicy Melon is also very jelly-like. And yeah, so that was everything that was inside of my purse. Also, I would love to know what your must-have bag essentials are, so leave a comment below because I would love to read it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And because you've stuck around this long, let me give you a heart, and a heart to all of you. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye!